لقد تسلمنا قبل يومين.
Hamas chief Khalil al-Hayya said in a speech televised Saturday that the militant group has agreed to a Gaza ceasefire proposal it received this week from mediators in Egypt and Qatar. He added that he hopes the Israeli occupation will not undermine the plan aimed at securing a pause in the Hamas-Israel war in Gaza that erupted in October 2023. Security sources told Reuters on Thursday that Egypt had received positive indications from Israel over a new ceasefire proposal that would include a transitional phase. The proposal suggests Hamas release 5 of the Israeli hostages it is holding each week, the sources said. It comes as Hamas released video Saturday of Israeli hostage Elkanah Bobad asking for help to be freed so he can see his wife and son. And as protesters against the Israeli government like Amun Shan Gillan took to the streets of Tel Aviv to push for their return.
We're here today because we want all the hostages to come home and all the people of Gaza to come home also. All the people need to have life. We all like to live. This is what we want.
While Palestinians in Gaza's Han Yunis like Hadaya al-Najjar prepared for Eid on Saturday, amidst Israel's resumption of an aerial and ground operation.
We want a solution. We don't want the situation to stay like this. We are people like everyone else. Aren't we human beings? Don't the children have the right to be joyful, like all the other children of the world? Why should we be different?
The Israeli Prime Minister's office said it had discussed the proposal and has sent a counter-proposal to the mediators. Reuters asked the Prime Minister's office if it had also agreed to the ceasefire proposal, but it did not immediately respond.
שהצומת לא חסום לתנועה לדברי השוטר. יש משאיות.
לא, הוא גם לא ביקש ממך לקום עד עכשיו. רק עכשיו הוא ביקש ממך. הוא לקח את הפרטים.
צריכים להתנהג בהתאם לחוק, נתי. זה כל הרעיון.
קיבלתם אותנו לשם! אתם קיבלתם אותנו לשם!
בבקשה מכם, תעזרו לי! אני מתגעגע לאישה שלי, לבן שלי, לכולם! למשפחה שלי! למה? מה תגיד לו? ילד בן 5 עוד מעט חוגג יום הולדת! הוא לא יכול להגיד אבא, למה? בבקשה תוציאו אותי מפה, בבקשה, קשה לי, אני מתחנן.